Hello everybody, we have a very special video today. We have our newest addition to our precious dogs family. We have 2 Bengal kittens and 3 Savanah kittens. And their moms are right here. And you can't see the other mom, she's walking around trying to get cuddles, but these 2 kittens are older than the Savanah kittens by about half a week. And as you can see, they're looking around, they are trying to notice their surroundings, and they have even began to try to climb over their sleeping area. So these 2 moms, they are so friendly. They basically share their kids with each other. I mean, they're basically like a couple. They're living together, they're sleeping together. They have a great relationship, and they're honestly like cousins, like
sisters.
Yeah, they're like sisters. Well, yeah, they're sisters.
Not sisters.
They're not blood sisters, but they're like sisters,
Yes.
and their kids are like cousins. But they're just so affectionate, and they just love to be petted. They're not sassy cats whatsoever. They melt. When you touch them, they just dissolve into a puddle of fur. And as you can see, this is so awesome. Their belly is spotted. So you may think that their fur is spotted, but their skin is actually spotted, as you can see here. Just like tigers appear to have striped fur, but they actually have striped skin. So these kittens are just like them. And the moms will take turns feeding like each other's kittens.